Hi guys and welcome back to Newtonfx YouTube channel. I go by the name King GK and the question of today is will NAS100 hit 13,800? So I'm just gonna break it down and show you some potential possibilities what can happen today. So during last week, as you guys could see, that price did giving us this rally here all the way to the upside to 15,200, and I know that basically trigger a lot of traders to see potential long-term bias. We can also see that price basically starting to form this descending corrective formation. But what we could have noticed here is that price wasn't able to create this new form of a higher high, and we can see price make his way all the way to the downside with his first leg to the downside, right? So that is a possibility for us that we can see further downwards momentum here to the downside. And one more thing that we can keep in consideration right here is that we can see is that price did basically creating a double top, and here's our neckline. So what we basically have to wait for right now, guys, is for a retracement phase. To this reason, I did send out a signal to my uh, students this morning on a 50 minutes time frame, because my price was basically showing us confirmation and this and the ascending corrective formation, right? We was taking this trading opportunity right here after this bearish engulfing candle, and it did also close under my 21 EMA. We did see price creating and respecting this area of resistance. We was waiting for momentum, and when the London session opening, we was taking this trading opportunity here to the downside. So what we can also see on a smaller time frame is that price is basically starting to create the same momentum phase again, right? We can see price basically starting to create another ascending corrective formation, showing us that it wants to continue to the downside. But the question is now is that will you take this sell opportunity right there? So I will say, guys, I will wait for the NYSE for the opening, because why, gang? What we can also see is that price basically starting to form more in a corrective formation, right, as well. So we can just draw a trend line from here, right? You guys will understand it. If you guys watch my previous videos, you guys will not understand how I'm trading, right? Now you guys could see that price basically starting to create a descending corrective formation, and that is a high probability that we will most likely come and test this area here at 14,500 easily, gang, for a proper retracement on our time frame. Because why, as you guys could see on Friday, price was basically breaking out of this area of 14,500 with this impulsive move to the downside. We didn't get any 4-hour retracements yet, so that is what we can expect that will take place for price to come back and test this area again for 14,500, and then price will potentially come to 13,800, because why, that is also a psychological area what we will see. Because why, we can see we have a lot of orders just laying just around here 13,800, gang. So I will be patient for the market right now. I did take some money and profit out of this market this morning, but for now I did close my positions. I did tell all my students that, okay guys, let's wait for a next potential sell-off. Because why, gang? If you scale into your daily time frame, right, you can see that we did also break structure under this higher low point right here. We did break structure and we did create this new form of a lower low. There's a potential, if we break under this 13,800 region, that we will most likely, guys, come and test this area here, 12,950 easily, gang. We can do that. Don't say that, okay, but price have a potential to go up, guys. The main key of trading is to stick with a trend. The trend is your friend. So price is basically showing us that we bearish on our daily time frame as well. So the best is to trade with the market right now. So gang, I will keep you updated in the next video. I will just keep bringing out this video on a daily basis just to keep you guys alert about what is going on, because while I'm trading full-time NAS100 right now, gang, and I want to give you guys that nuggets, right, so we can trade it together, right? So but I'm gonna give you guys all of these nuggets before and after effects, guys. So thanks for watching. Peace out.